Welcome to our lesson about the mirror command. Let's begin by right-clicking and selecting New Sketch. Let's drop a circle about right here. There we go. Accept, finish the sketch, and extrude. Select the profile. Let's make it a 1/4 inch extrusion. And click OK. Now right-click on this face, New Sketch. Let's use the ellipse tool this time. We'll create an ellipse, something like this. And finish the sketch. Back to the extrude command. Let's cut. Select the profile. Termination through all. And let's accept. Now let's activate the mirror command. First thing to do is select a feature to pattern. Now the mirror plane. I'll use the XY plane. And click OK. And here is our mirrored feature. Let's activate the tool again. This time let's opt to mirror a solid. Our solid is pre-selected. Let's select the mirror plane now, this face, and click OK. Let's activate the tool one more time. The solid to pattern. It's already pre-selected. Let's select this face here as our mirror plane. There we go. And let's click OK. Now let's zoom to fit. And this concludes our lesson about using the mirror command.